to our channel, orange juice can be a healthy addition to your weight loss journey when consumed in moderation. Wait! Before starting the weight loss video, I introduce you with Icaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 4-5 medium-sized oranges, 1 lemon optional. For added flavor, ice cubes optional. For a chilled drink, stevia or honey optional. For sweetness, but use sparingly. Instruction: wash the oranges and lemon thoroughly. Cut each orange in half and squeeze the juice out using a citrus juicer or a handheld juicer. If you're using a lemon, juice it as well. Make sure to remove any seeds. If you prefer a sweeter taste, you can add a small amount of stevia or honey to the juice. Keep in mind that it's best to limit added sugars when trying to lose weight, so use these sweeteners sparingly or omit them altogether. If you'd like a chilled orange juice, you can add some ice cubes to your glass before pouring in the juice. Stir the juice to mix in any sweeteners and chill the juice further if desired. Serve your fresh orange juice immediately and enjoy. Ready to say goodbye to stubborn weight loss. Get Icaria Lean Belly Juice. Click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful review, please keep this video and thumbs up, share, comments, and subscribe my channel.